Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at a new seller, kitmm.com, and I can tell you that they are friends with kitgg.com. So a new seller, but I'm going to say straight off the bat, a trusted seller. Today's shirt is the Ireland 2024 shirt, and I had to go for Sam Szmodics on the back. Obviously being a Blackburn fan and the season he's had, for when I was buying this one, it definitely had to be this one. kitmm have also given me a discount code, which I will put in the description of this video, so you can save yourself some money if you buy shirts. The discount code is matchday, but as I said, that will be put in the description of this video. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe, as I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions or messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Delivery time on this was actually about standard, so about 14 days from the point of getting the images for the shirt to arrive at my door. I did get 4 shirts from them, so this is the first one in the new series of kitmm shirts. As I said, details for the seller will be in the description of this video. The shirt itself comes in the standard bag. On the flip side, it does have our standard health warnings. I don't think I've done an Ireland shirt before, so it'll be the first time I'm looking at one of theirs. But yeah, we've definitely done a Sam Szmodics because I did get him on a Blackburn shirt. So what we'll do now is we'll get this bag open and we'll have a first look at a kitmm shirt. As I said, discount code MATCHUCX, save yourself some money. So what we'll do is we'll get the bag open and let's have a look at the Sam Szmodics Ireland shirt. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt and it's just a standard collar line, but I do like the touch there of the Ireland colours, the green, the white and the orange. I think that's really nice. A little bit of piping down there. The Castore has been heat pressed on. It's just standard vinyl, likewise the number 15, standard vinyl, and the Ireland badge has been embroidered into the material. Shirt sponsor Sky, and this has been embroidered in. Embroidered? No, it hasn't. I lied. This has been heat pressed on. Got embroidered on the brain from that. Piping again down the slide there. At the bottom we have Castore and then a number. A white little bit of band goes up just the bottom, and the same on this side as well. Stitching on the front looks good. I do like the pattern on this shirt. Just check under the sleeves, but I think that looks good. Yeah, looks fine. Side looks fine. Just want to make sure that there's a join down that side, which is more noticeable than on that side. Look, unless it's just, oh no, I think it's just the way I've got the shirt hanging up actually. Oh no, it is slightly different on that side. Nothing to worry about though. Flip it over, we'll have a look at the back. Go on to the back, and the Ireland colours continue around. Although the orange there is slightly wonky where it's been stitched on. We've got IRE here for Ireland, or air, and that's been heat pressed on. And it's just the same vinyl all the way across. So is the Szmodics. This is just standard vinyl. And then the number 15, which has got the Ireland crest on it. And this has all been heat pressed on. Nice and smooth. There's a few creases there, but nice and smooth into the shirt. No concerns there, but we'll have a look when we flip it inside out and have a look. But from the outside, it doesn't feel like there's any creases where it's gone on. Just as I said, where it's been in the bag. So nothing to worry about there. This pattern is fantastic. Okay, what we'll do now is then we'll flip it inside out and we'll take a look at that. Okay, we're now on the inside of the shirt, and we'll start with the collar line, which looks fine, a little bit folded around there, but nothing to worry about. Stitching all looks good, nice and strong. The Ireland badge, I mentioned, has been embroidered on. We have number 15 here, heat pressed on, that's gone on well, nice and smooth. And the Castore is just there, which again, heat pressed on smoothly. Sky, you can see the S there. There's the K, and there's the Y. All perfect, not a single crease. The only crease that you see like down there is where the shirt's been in the bag. So I'm not worried by that in the slightest. That little cutout I mentioned there looks good. On that side looks good as well. And we do have a standard washing tag for Castore. Recommendation with these shirts, when you wash them, flip it inside out and put it on a hand wash setting. When you dry, just let it hang dry. Do not put them in a tumble dry. Otherwise, things like this number 15, the Sky and the Szmodics, which is on the other side, will peel off. Oh look, there is a line there. That's just where the ink's leaked through. I don't recall seeing anything on the other side. No, nothing at all. So just a line. Oh no, there is a line there. I didn't notice that on the other side. So there is a line in the material where it's leaked through. Not one on this side though. But apart from that, I don't think it's overly noticeable because I didn't notice it on the other side, but a good spot nonetheless. Okay, the final part of the inside of the shirt, there is a little bit of loose cotton over there. A pair of scissors will soon sort that out. Same in most shirts, we've got this banding up here and the Castore size XL. Recommendation with buying these sort of shirts is, to be fair now, it's pretty much true to size, unless you are buying a player one, which this is not. If you're buying a player one, then the recommendation is probably to got 1 or 2 sizes. We can see where Szmodics has been put on there. That's gone on nicely, and the big number 15 again has gone on really nicely. There is a couple of creases again from when the shirt's been in the bag, but nothing to worry about. Looking at the bottom of the shirt, just checking inside the hemline, a little bit of a join there, and the stitching's slightly off, but again, on the inside is where it's noticeable. On the outside, we hadn't noticed it. So I think it's fair to say that the outside will be absolutely perfect. So that's the inside of the shirt completed. So there is our Ireland shirt from kitmm.com, which is a new seller on the football shirt scene. KitMM are friends, I don't know if to say friends is the right word, of kitgg.com. So that's why the name does sound familiar, but KitMM is a new seller. And in all honesty, I think you're going to get exactly the same sort of service as kitgg. So definitely check out kitmm.com. If you do, I have a discount code in the description of this video, which is MatchewCX. That will save you some money on these sort of shirts. It doesn't have to be this one, it can be any on their site. So make sure if you do go and buy some, you use my discount code MatchewCX to save yourself some money. All in all, I do like this shirt. I'm happy to have it because being a Blackburn fan, it's nice to have a Sam Szmodics Ireland shirt, although there is a good chance that he will be off at the end of this season, but only time will tell. But anyway, I do play in a green shirt on a Monday night. So actually, whether Szmodics is at Blackburn or not, this is always a good shirt to have for me, being the green. So I hope you have enjoyed it. kitmm.com, details for the seller in the description of the video along with the discount code. If you are new, make sure you like and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.